So hello guys, welcome back again our new video. So in this video I am going to tell you what are the zoo gift box timing for the region of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nigeria. So follow video step by step so you can able to claim your gift box as early as possible. So guys, join our channel for the latest updates regarding the zoo gift boxes and updates. So today gift box timing, first gift will appear on the map at 9:10 UTC. The reward will be 4947 feet. Duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 2:40 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 2:10 pm. For Bangladesh timing will be 3:10 pm and for Nigeria timing will be 10:10 pm. Then second gift box will appear on the map at 14:35 UTC. It will provide you with 439 animal feed and duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 8:05 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 7:35 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 8:35 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 3:35 pm. Then our last gift box will appear on the map at 19:40 UTC. For the rewards will be 1244 feeds and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 1:10 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 12:40 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 1:40 am and for Nigeria timing it will be 8:40 pm. So comment your country so I can add another countries and their timings if you want, and please subscribe to our channel for the latest zoo updates. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.